This car is G class G63 before 2019 model, and in this video I am explaining about how to remove radiator. For removing the radiator you have to make a gap between radiator and bumper grill. So this is the headlamp surround. So for removing this headlamp surround you have to lose the T20 screw. After that carefully press headlamp surround upward out of the top two guides, otherwise it can break. For vehicle with navigation, one GPS antenna is also fastened behind of left headlamp surround. So this is the radiator grill. For removing this removing knot, just I am making the gap between radiator and radiator grill. So I will remove, these are the 4 screw. After that I lift up this one forward direction so I can make a gap, and these are the screw, these are the bolt we have to remove. So 5 one side and 5 another side. After removing the bolt, just press as like this, then it will come out. This is support of radiator. Then disconnect the all line, just make as like this gap. Don't remove complete bumper grill. And before removing the radiator you have to also remove the radiator fan. So this hose you have to must disconnect, and these are the clip for fan, electric fan. One connection here for this coolant circuit, it's the bottom side of radiator, and this is the right side bottom side. So you have to also disconnect before removing this radiator. And these are the lock. And these are the 2 bolt for 10 mm. This one is connecting to condenser to radiator, so you have to also remove this 2 bolt. After that just press this radiator, then it will come out from this grommet, and then you can remove the radiator. Also you have to make the gap. So now after removing the 10 mm socket, this pipe also you have to disconnect from this 10 mm, because here you can make a space. Now this radiator is free.